Hello students, myself Sanjay Bhardwaj, Assistant Professor, GIBS Gemtech Greater Noida. This topic is the eclectic counseling and comes under the different approaches or thoughts of counseling. Sometimes some counselor agrees neither directive counseling nor non-directive counseling school of thoughts. In such a situation, the counsel succeeded in developing another type of counseling. This school of thought lies in between directive and non directive counseling. This school of thought is known as eclectic counseling. In such type of counseling, the counselor is neither active nor passive. The chief advocate of this type of counseling is F.C. Thorne. In this type of counseling, the needs of a person and his personality are studied by the counselor. After this, the counselor selects those techniques which are useful for a person. In this process of counseling, the counselor may start with the directive counseling method, and after some time, he can follow non directive counseling procedure or vice versa as the situation demands. In this, the techniques should be according to the situation of the client. In this type of counseling, the main techniques used are reassurance, giving information, case history, testing, etc. Hence, in this elective counseling, both the counselor and the client are active and cooperative, but they participate in conversation turn-wise and solve the problem jointly. Characteristics of eclectic counseling. According to Thorne, the following are the characteristics of the eclectic counseling. In this, objective and coordinating methods are used. In the beginning of counseling, client active methods are used and the counselor remains passive. In this, more importance is assigned to the job efficiency and treatment. The principle of low expenditure is emphasized. In such counseling, for the use of all the methods and techniques, the professional efficiency and skills in the counselor are must. Keeping in, keeping in mind the need of the client, it is decided whether directive method or non-directive method should be used, making an opportunity available to the client is insisted so that he may find himself the solution of the problem. And the steps in the eclectic counseling are the study of the needs and personality characteristics of the client. According to this, the school of thought, the counselor investigates the client's need initially. In this step 2, he gathers information regarding the characteristics of the person's personality. Selection of techniques. In this step, need-based techniques are selected and these are used in accordance with the needs of the person. Application of techniques. The selected techniques are applied in specific situations only. The utility of the selected techniques is observed in the text of the client. Evaluation of effectiveness. In this step, the evaluation of effectiveness is done through various methods. Preparation for the counseling. Here, the preparation is done for guidance and counseling. Seeking the opinion of the client and other related people. Opinion of the client and other related people are sought regarding the program concerning counseling. other objectives and subjects, etc. The limitations of the eclectic counseling. Some people are of the view that the type of counseling is vague and opportunistic. Both directive and non directive counseling cannot be mixed together. In this, the question arises how much freedom should be given to the client. For this, there is no definite rule. In spite of this controversy, its practical value is very high. Hence, we see that the counseling is a learning process in which both the client and counselor learn something. And this is the topic related to the eclectic counseling. I hope it will help you to understand about the eclectic counseling. Thank you very much.